Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and send snaps on Snapchat web. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead into a browser that you want and simply search for Snapchat web. Click on the first link and simply go ahead and log in into your account. If you don't know how to log in into your account, I've already made a video on that. You can simply go ahead and watch it and come back. And now in order for you to go ahead and send snap, all you need to do is first things first, go ahead and connect your camera to your browser. Make sure it's the right one. For me, I don't have any webcams connected at the moment, so it's just OBS virtual camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and click, and there you go. There's the photo. You can send it to anyone on your team. So for example, there you go. I'm going to just send it to AI, right? And that is about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.